welcome to my YouTube channel.
Bruh.
Today I'm gonna be doing my nails. But look at how short they are. Like, I bit this and it literally bled. So I'll be back. Let me go get my stuff.
A few moments later.
Okay, I got my stuff. Anyways, this is my nail kit. There is nails all over the place. I have not worked. Anyways.
Huh?
This is like a really dark purple. It looks black. When I picked it up, I thought it was black. Let's get started. First hand with base is done. Now let's go dry them. Okay, first hand done. Now do the second hand. What type of video should I post? Let me know in the comments. If anybody watches this, I'm not saying anybody will. I'm done with my nails. I was gonna add glitter, but they already look horrible. So, if you guys enjoyed watching, you guys should subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.